What's up guys, and today I'll be showing you how to make all these cool LGBTQ flags that you see behind me in banner style in Minecraft PE. So the first flag that we'll be doing is the transgender flag. Transgender means does not identify with their birth sex. So you're going to need blue dye, pink dye, and white dye, and a white or pink banner. I'll show you how to make with both. Go ahead and make half the banner pink. And then make the edge of the banner blue, the top edge. Then make the other half of the banner pink. And the bottom edge of the banner blue. Then you're just going to want to add a white line right through the middle. And there's your horizontal banner. Just place it right there. Next, we're going to make the vertical banner. And I want to show you how to do this with the pink banner. Make the middle white. Go ahead and take the same banner and make the borders light blue. And there's your vertical transgender banner. Next banner we're going to be doing is Genderqueer, which means it does not identify with man or woman. For that, you're going to need a white banner with purple dye and green dye. Go ahead and make the top edge purple, and then take that same banner and make the bottom edge green. Now we're going to do the vertical version. Go ahead and get a white banner. Get purple dye and make the left edge purple. Now take that same banner and make the right edge green. Unfortunately, Minecraft will not let you do it all in one step. The next banner we're going to be doing is Asexual, which is lack of sexual attraction, which requires black, gray, and purple dye with the white banner. Go ahead and get that white banner. and make half of the banner gray. Now make the very left edge of the banner black. Then make the very right edge purple. Now we're going to do the horizontal version. Go ahead and get your white banner again. And make half of the banner gray just like last time, except this time you want to make the top half gray. Make the top edge black and make the bottom edge purple. Next one we'll be doing is Pansexual, which is attracted to men, women, and any other genders or sexes, which requires a yellow banner, pink dye, and blue dye. Go ahead and get your yellow banner. And go ahead and make the top edge pink. Then take and make the bottom edge blue. Go ahead and place that there. And now we're going to make the vertical version. So grab your yellow banner again. Grab your pink dye, so this time make the left edge pink. And then go ahead and make the right edge blue. Now we're going to move on to the bisexual flag, which means attracted to both men and women. For this you're going to need a purple banner, hot pink, or magenta dye, and dark blue dye. Go ahead and grab your purple banner. And then grab your hot pink dye and make the top edge hot pink or magenta, whatever you like to call it, and the bottom edge blue. There we go. Now let's make the vertical version. Get your purple banner again and make the far left edge magenta. And make the far right edge dark blue. Now let's move on to the most popular banners, the LGBTQ or gay, which is lesbian, gay, bi, trans, or queer, or other. For this you're going to need a green banner, red dye, orange dye, yellow dye, and blue dye. So go ahead and get your green banner. Go ahead and make the top half orange. and the very top edge red. Then make the very bottom edge blue, and add a yellow line straight through the middle. There's your horizontal LGBTQ flag. Now let's move on to the vertical. Go ahead and get your green banner. Go ahead and make half of the banner yellow. Now make the far left side orange. And make the far right side dark blue. And then add a red border so we get red in there. Since 5 columns won't fit on a banner vertically. So there's all the banners, horizontal and vertical. Of course, these aren't all of the LGBTQ flags, they're just some of the most popular. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you guys next time. Bye!